The freshly announced Snapdragon 8 Elite chip is set to power the upcoming batch of Android flagships, and Realme will be among the first brands to launch a phone with a new SoC with its Realme GT 7 Pro. The device is confirmed to launch in China this month, followed by a global launch in November. GT 7 Pro will become available in over 10 countries and regions simultaneously, including India, Italy, Spain, Malaysia, and Thailand. Snapdragon 8 Elite features an 8-core CPU with 2 performance cores featuring industry-leading up to 4.32 GHz clock speeds. The 3nm chip also gets a new Qualcomm Adreno GPU, an overhauled Hexagon NPU for handling complex multimodal AI tasks, an updated camera ISP, and the latest X85G modem.